I'm Sophia from Expert Guidance Academy, and in this video, we are going to learn all the tenses in just 6 minutes. So, are you ready and excited to learn? Okay, let's go. So, the very first thing which you have to remember when it comes to tenses is the time of action. Tense means the time of action. So, to start with, present tense is used when a regular action is happening. When something happens every day, so you must use present tense. And my dear friends, the rule is very easy of present tense. You just have to use present subject, verb and object if required. And the signal word for the present tense is every day, some days, always, never, etc. Present continuous is used when we talk about an action which is happening continuously. So for that we use present continuous. And my dear friends, the rule is very simple. Subject is MR, helping verb, and verb plus ing. And the third one is present perfect. So present perfect is used for action which is just got completed. So for that we use the rule subject, have and has, and the third form of the verb. Like, I have taken my breakfast. I have eaten my breakfast. So subject, have, has, and the third form of the verb. Moving on to the present perfect continuous tense is for action which is started in the past and is still going on. For that we use present perfect continuous tense. And my dear friends, it's very easy. The rule is subject, have and has, plus be plus verb ing. So like, I have been taking classes since morning. I have been taking classes since morning. Moving on to the simple past. Simple past is used for an action which got completed. So for that the rule is subject and verb to. Like, I went to school. And the signal words which we can use in the simple past is yesterday, last month, 2 days ago, when I was. So all these type of signal words we can use when it comes to simple past. Past continuous, as the word continuous itself explains, that something is happening continuously in the past. So for that we used past continuous. And the rule is, my dear friends, was, were, subject, was, were, and verb plus ing. Moving on to past perfect. We use past perfect when we talk about some action took place before another action got completed. And the rule is, my dear friends, subject, had, verb 3. And the second can be subject plus second form of the verb. Like, the patient died before the doctor came. So such sentences are expressed in past perfect. Past perfect continuous tense is used for action which got started in the past, continued to a certain time in the past itself. Like, for this the rules are like subject, had plus been plus verb plus ing. So it had been raining for 2 days. Moving on to the simple future tense. Future tense expresses simple future action. Something which is going to take place after this particular moment would be your future tense. And the rule is, my dear friends, subject, shall and will plus the first form of the verb. Like, I will call you tomorrow. And the signal words are like tomorrow, tonight, next week, in a month, in 2 days, and soon. So we can use these signal words to express simple future. Moving on to this future continuous tense. Future continuous is action which will take place continuously in the future. Like, this time tomorrow, this time next week are the signal words for future continuous tense. And the rule is, my dear friends, subject, shall plus will plus be and verb ing. Like, I shall be working at the same time tomorrow. Alright, my dear friends. And future perfect tense is used for an action which will start in the future and it will continue and finish in the future at a particular time. For that we use future perfect tense. And my dear friends, the rule is subject will, shall plus have verb 3, verb third form of the verb. This is what is the rule of future perfect tense. Like and the signal words are before, by the time, by then. I shall have reached my home. So this is future perfect tense. Future perfect continuous tense is like the rule is subject will have, shall have plus been plus ing. So this is the future perfect continuous tense. I will have been doing my work. Future perfect continuous tense. So with this note, I would like to sign off. Bye. Take care of yourself.